The Menai Project was set up to support people in doing volunteer activity and improving the areas where they live, the community green spaces. We've supported 14 projects, 9 in Anglesey and 5 in North Gwynedd, which have been quite a variety. We've supported community woodland, community gardens, and allotment projects where people have been growing food.
Wel, dyma ni yn gardd gymunedol Bwyd Bendigedig. Dyma un o 3 safle sgynnon ni'n y Felin Heli. Da ni wedi bod yn datblygu'r llecyn yma ers i'w 2 flynedd a hanner. Mae gynnon ni floda yma. Fel da chi gweld, gynnon ni mefus y pethau hefyd, a da ni'n tyfu llysia a llwyni ffrwytha. Wedyn, da ni jyst trio annog bobl, da ni'n gweld teuluoedd o bethau fama yn y parc, a dyn nhw'n dod chi fewn i'r ar, a mae'n gret i plant bach, cos maen nhw'n gallu blasio'n syth a gweld lle mae bwyd nhw'n dod o.
Some of our projects have actually come out of the situation during COVID. We've had a couple of projects that have been set up as a direct result of people wanting more access to green space. An example of this is a community garden in the Maestryfan ward in Bangor, where residents got together to take over an area of green space to make a park for the community.
Mae'n gret gael un o prosiectau yma'n Menter Môn, fel Môn a Menai, i helpu'r cymunedau, i wneud gwahaniaeth mewn cymunedau i pob gallu mynd allan a defnyddio'r mannau gwyrdd. Nod y cyllid yw'r gwella'r lles ac annog gwirfoddoli i chefnogi bywyd gwell.
Mae hynna'n rhywbeth da ni eisiau gwneud ydi addysgu a cael bobl allan, cael bobl i siarad, cymdeithasu, mwynhau cwmni, wrth gwrs palu a chydig o waith corfforol. Lot o bleser yn hynna, mae'n helpu fo meddwlgarwch a mae wedi brofi bod o'n helpu ni fo iechyd meddwl ac yn y blaen.
The Menai Project finishes this summer in 2023, and we hope that the projects will continue to grow and flourish and encourage volunteering.